represent the differences of how many people each representative group represent the Huntington-Nagel method. So the Huntington-Nagel method has 5 steps. First, determine the standard divisor. Second, find the quota. Third, solve the geometric mean. And step 4, calculate the initial allocations. And step 5, if the total number of step 4 is higher, then increase the divisor. However, if the total prime of step 4 is less than, then you will reduce the divisor so that the divisor is called modified or adjusted divisor. So in order for you to understand about this method, I will give you an example. So example number 1. A small republic consisting of 6 states has 250 sets in Congress. So find the apportionment of the republic under the Huntington-Nagel method. So this is the states and the population. So find the population, so the total is 12,500. Then, so to find a divisor, we should divide our population and the seats. So 12,500 divided by 250 is equal to 50. So next, we should get our standard deviation by dividing the state A and the divisor. So state A divided by 50 is equal to 32.92. And state B divided by 50 is equal to 138.72. And state C divided by 50 is equal to 3.08. And so on. So find our lower quota by chopping the decimal point. So it would be 32 and 138.7 would be 138 and 3.08 would be 3 and so on. And to find our upper quota, we just simply add 1. So 32 would be 33 and 138 would be 139 and 3 would be 4 and so to find our geometric mean, we should find the square root of lower quota multiplied to upper quota. So the square root of 32 times the square root of 30 is equal to 32.496. That's our geometric mean. So second, 138 times 139 is equal to 138.449. And do the same process. And to find our round, just round off the 32. So it will be 33 and 138.499 will be 139 and 3.464 will be 3 and 41.496 it will be 42. So and so on. So we should find the total. So this is the total of the round. So our sets is 450. So it's not the same. So we should adjust our divisor. So we should adjust it to 50.100. So which we should divide the 50.100 to the population 164.6.00. So this is the total 32.854. And second, we should divide the State B 6.6936.00 divided by the divisor 0.50.100 is equal to 138.443. So and so that's what we call modified formula. So we should find the apportionment. We should round off then 32.854. So it would be 33 and 138.443. It would be 138 and 3.07 for 3 and so on. So we should get the total of this. So it would be 250. So we got the same sets. So this is our Huntington-Wheeler method apportionment. So let's proceed to the example number 2. Use the Huntington-Wheeler method to apportion 41 sets. So contribute and new causal sets. So to get the apportion of the 41 sets, so we should total the population. So the total population is 897,934. So next, we should find our divisor. To find our divisor, we should divide our total population and the sets. So 897,934 divided by 41 is equal to 21,943. So this is our divisor. So next, to find our standard quota, we should divide the 162,310 divided by the divisor. So it will be 7.411. So second, 538,479 divided by fourth one. So that is our we got the